Hearty welcome to you, NTR Garu and Gemini TV. Felicitate చేస్తున్నారు NTR గారిని. Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful presence. ఇంద్రనీల్ గారిని కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నామండి. మరి ఏమాత్రం ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా జెమినీ టీవీ బిజినెస్ హెడ్ కే సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్.
Thank you. Good morning and a warm welcome to the distinguished guests and friends from media. We from Germany, part of Sun TV network, which is one of the largest media and entertainment conglomerates in India and by far the biggest in South, sincerely thank one and all for making it convenient to attend. Thank you all. Gemini TV, the first Telugu entertainment channel, having successfully completed its 25 years of non-stop entertainment, beaming its signals into all the Telugu homes across its footprint, and won the hearts of millions of Telugus with its variety of content in fictions, events, films, and formatted shows, now takes pride in announcing yet another magnanimous show, Evaru Meelo Kotishwaralu, a Telugu version of the international iconic format Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, telecast successfully in over 120 countries worldwide. This format boasts of itself for having changed the lives of many ordinary, bringing them to the name and fame overnight. To complement the stature and magnitude of the show like Evaru Meelo Kotishwaralu, it is obvious and natural that it necessitates a befitting host to make it larger than life. In context, we are pleased to announce our association with an icon of Tollywood who is aspirational, hardworking, understands the plight of a commoner, has perfect blend of both mass and class alike, and is acclaimed as the most versatile actor by the Telugus. He leads a successful career that he has built with passion and love to the craft. And top it all, he strikes an instant emotional chord with the audience. We are extremely happy to announce the young tiger, NTR Garu, as the Radhasarathi and the host of the show, Evaru Meelo Kotishwaralu. Thank you, Ramarao Garu, for accepting our proposition and being on board. We are sure that with your Taraka Mantram, the show is not only going to be highly successful, but also will make dreams come true for many contestants. Yet another accolade to the show is that the promotional videos of Evaru Meelo Kotishwaralu were directed by none other than Trivikram Garu. Thank you, Trivikram Garu, for obliging and casting your magic of creativity in the promos. Though many people may aspire to come onto the hot seat, due to the stringent selection process as is being done internationally, only the most deserving would make it get a chance to participate. In view of this, and to make this show participatory For all the viewers, we are happy to announce Play Along, where sitting at home, viewers can also play the game live when the show is being telecast on Gemini TV, and also win exciting prizes. Gemini TV will soon be announcing the registrations, and viewers can participate through SMS and also through Sun Next app, which is the OTT platform of Sun TV network. Finally, I thank one and all for your presence here today. Thank you all.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ షోకి సంబంధించి చాలా వివరాలు మాకు తెలియజేసినందుకు. అండ్ నౌ వి రిక్వెస్ట్ స్టూడియో నెక్స్ట్ బిజినెస్ హెడ్ ఇంద్రనీల్ చక్రవర్తి సార్ టు స్పీక్ అ ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ ప్లీజ్.
Good morning, everybody. NTR Garu, members of the press, Subbu sir, and Kiran sir. We are extremely happy to be here today and privileged. A little bit about Studio Next. Studio Next is a wholly owned branch of Sony. We formed this production company about 2 years back. But the last 2 years have been extremely exciting for us. Apart from producing 3 television shows over 400 episodes, our first web series became an iconic property, and it is now getting all the awards which Hindi web series is getting. And that's Arshad Mehta, the Scam 1992. That was Studio Next's first production. So with this, you can imagine that one of the things which we are very keen about is that we are going to produce content with a purpose, content which means something, and there is no better show for us to put it on air than Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, which is one of the most popular, biggest television shows worldwide. I think there are the people you heard Subbu saying 120 countries, that this has stood the test of time about over 22 odd years, that this show is continuing, and as of now there are some 20 odd countries which is the show is being aired. Okay. Now why is that so? I think Subbu touched upon it. It is about, he said, common people. When we produce the show, we say nobody is common. Every person is special to us. There is a journey, there is a story on every individual. And we believe that if we delve into that, all of us will have something special to talk about ourselves. Now, next thing which comes is the education, the knowledge. This show is about knowledge, so that is a prerequisite that people with some bit of a knowledge quotient will be able to qualify for the hot seat. But after that is all about that person's journey, that person's aspirations, and that person's ability to play the game. At the end of the day, it is also a game show. Okay. So I think we are very excited that this season, this show, we are going to focus on the people of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, their hopes, their aspirations, and what it is today. It's not about what it was yesterday. It is about today's people and today's hopes and aspirations. And we don't think we would have had a better host to take us through this journey than NTR Garu. And we are very thankful to you, and we are very privileged that you have accepted our invitation and have agreed to be with us in this exciting journey. And now coming to the second part of putting up a show, which is about the production quality, all the systems and processes. We produce this show across various languages in this country, and we are backed up by our friends from Europe who has knowledge about this show about across the globe. Only thing we can assure you that this version will have the same international quality and the focus which we give to any versions around the globe. Okay? So with that, I think we are so happy to be here. We are so excited to put it all on air. And we genuinely believe that we'll be able to put up a successful show. And along with that, I hope, NTR Garu, you will have a memorable experience with us. And that's what it will give us a lot of happiness that you've enjoyed this process with us. With this, thank you very much to be here, and wish us luck, wish us all the blessings, wish us all the, we need it. We definitely need it from you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Indraneel. Wishing you all the very best for your future endeavors and all your shows. So, NTR garu intaku mundu mee ఎవరు మీలో కోటీశ్వర్లు ప్రోమో చూసాం. యూ హ్యావ్ సమ్ మ్యాజిక్ అరౌండ్ యూ సార్. సీరియస్లీ మీరు స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపిస్తే ఒక మ్యాజిక్ ఉంటుంది. మీ డైలాగ్స్కి ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరూ ఎదురు చూస్తుంటారు. లాస్ట్లో మీ రామారావు అని చెప్పి అలా మీసం వేలేశారు. అంతకంటే ఇంకేం కావాలి చెప్పండి మా అందరికీ. సో ఇక ఏమాత్రం ఆలస్యం.
లైక్, కామెంట్, subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.